What if your next ride didn't stop at traffic lights? Or even need a road at all? Picture this: you're a thrill seeker stuck between two extremes, motorbikes that can't fly, and flying vehicles that feel like oversized boxes. The Volonaut Airbike flips the script. This jet-powered flying superbike is built for speed and agility. It's 7 times lighter than a regular superbike thanks to carbon fiber and 3D printing. It ditches the bulky cage and instead offers a clean, minimal frame with no visible propellers, just you leaning forward in a true rider's position, slicing through the air. It can reach speeds of 200 km per hour and navigate narrow spaces with ease. The 360 degrees open-air view, responsive taillights, and sculpted landing stands bring both performance and safety together. The Volonaut Airbike isn't just another flying machine, it's a statement. A new era of freedom, where the sky is your open road. In a world where every second counts, the SiFly Q12 long-endurance drone redefines what's possible from the sky. With a jaw-dropping 180-minute flight time, it stays in the air long after others have landed, crucial for fire monitoring, search and rescue, and border security. Its swappable 10-pound payloads adapt instantly, whether you're surveying farmland, inspecting utility lines, or responding to a crisis. Reaching speeds of 55 miles per hour and covering 90 miles per charge, it delivers real-time insights in the toughest terrains. Compact, powerful, and mission-ready, the Q12 isn't just about tech, it's about trust. When the mission is critical and the clock is ticking, this drone is your smartest ally in the sky. Flying used to be complicated, but Cirrus changed the game. Meet the SR Series G7, an aircraft designed to make flying smarter, safer, and smoother. Touchscreen controllers handle your flight planning, maps, audio, and more with a single tap. When alerts pop up, the right checklist appears instantly, no guesswork, no scrolling. Need system info? Synoptic pages show live health stats for everything from your engine to ice protection. Push-button engine start works in any weather, and you glide through taxiways with 3D Safe Taxi, seeing buildings and paths in real time. But here's the real magic: if something goes wrong, Safe Return Autoland takes control, picks the best airport, talks to ATC, and even feeds you info through your headset. Add in smart cabin features, sleek new designs, and even auto throttle and fuel mix, and you've got more than a plane. You've got a flying partner built for confidence, safety, and adventure. Imagine a robot that doesn't just take commands, it understands them. Meet the FlashBot Arm, a cutting-edge service robot built for the real world. With voice commands, autonomous planning, and multi-floor navigation, it moves seamlessly across buildings, handling products, pressing elevator buttons, and even recognizing guests, all on its own. Its 7 degrees of freedom dual arms stretch up to 2 meters, tackling tasks with incredible precision. And with real-time obstacle avoidance, it stays alert and responsive, keeping humans safe at all times. Thanks to high-precision sensors, including LiDAR, RGBD cameras, and pressure-sensitive skin, it senses its environment just like a living being. It even recharges automatically and coordinates with other robots to work as a team, all wrapped in a sleek, matte metallic body. FlashBot is as elegant as it is smart. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of service, delivered today.